Hello, welcome to day 19 of the LEGO 2022 Advent Calendar Reveal and Build. Day 19. What time to get into it. Okay. It's a minifig. Gonna be a quick build. Looks like we've got a cloud to work on as well. I'm assuming this is Groot. Okay, nice and quick. We've got the legs, the body, which I just put on backwards. Then we have some sort of something that goes on the back. The head. How cool is that head? And then we have a remote control or a phone, one or the other. And now I'm going to stand on cloud. All right, I really like this minifig. That's pretty cool. Very quick build though. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. But great little build. That's day 19. And we're into the last week. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.